The latest on monkeypox, as 3 states declare emergencies, and how a hard-to-come-by drug could help. And Demi Lovato changes pronouns again. Her explanation is coming up. A drug is now available for monkeypox patients who have severe disease or who are at risk of it. But doctors say the drug continues to be hard to get. This as 3 states have declared public health emergencies. California and Illinois now join New York State declaring a public health emergency over the monkeypox outbreak.
The U.S. is now leading the world when it comes to the total number of cases.
Across the US, more than 6,000 confirmed cases. The virus found in every state but 2, Wyoming and Montana. According to the CDC, T-pox is considered an experimental treatment for monkeypox. It was FDA approved for smallpox, a virus in the same family. While there's no human trial data to prove it's effective in treating monkeypox, the CDC says doctors may want to use T-pox in those with symptoms in hazardous areas like the eyes, in people with severe symptoms like sepsis, or people at risk of severe illness, like those who are immune compromised.
Anecdotally, 2-3 doses of this T-pox medicine is really making a difference for people, and these lesions are just melting away.
The US government stockpiled nearly 2 million doses of the drug in case of a bioterrorism event. Despite the CDC and FDA cutting some red tape for monkeypox patients to get the antiviral drug, some say it's still hard to access.
You're talking about a 5-6 day time lag to get that medication to you at a local doctor's office, no matter where you are. And the paperwork and all of the bureaucracy to make that happen is very cumbersome, takes a few hours of your time. And that's the barrier.
Although some doctors have reported cases in which they think T-pox may have been beneficial, the CDC says evidence of how well it works in humans has been limited to drug levels in blood and a few case studies. Demi Lovato changes pronouns again, offering some insight on the decision. In an interview with the Spout podcast, she explained that there was a time last year when she was faced with the choice of walking into either a men's restroom or a woman's, and how neither one felt like the right choice, prompting the use of they/them as pronouns. But now the star says she's feeling more feminine and is back to using she/her. In 2021, Lovato shared the following tweet quote, "I feel the need to post this because often I find that the change in pronouns can be confusing for some and difficult to remember for others. It's all about your intention. It's important to me that you try, but if you make a mistake, it's okay." The decision on gender identity and pronouns continues to evolve. Kevin Bacon, who stars in the bold LGBTQ flick They/Them, has this to say on the topic.
Young people who have a different gender identity, who can see themselves in this film. Maybe they are in a small town in rural America, in a conservative world with conservative parents. Maybe they're closeted, bullied, whatever it is. To be able to see people like themselves up on the screen and empowered is also something that we hope would be a beautiful result.
For more on these stories, visit advocate.com.